Welcome to the start of another weekly vlog. It is Thursday today, starting it on a bit of a weird day. I am about to sit down and film a couple of YouTube videos. First up is a makeup tutorial of one of my favourite looks that Blake Lively has done in her latest film role, A Simple Favour. It's like a thriller and it is so good. I would highly recommend it. I'm going to be filming the makeup tutorial of kind of like her look in the film, and she's the biggest badass in this film. Kind of want to be her. She wears like a masculine, like androgynous look, like suits throughout the most of it, and yeah, it's just made me want to invest in a nice quality suit. I've put on this old shirt that I've got to try. It's like the only shirt I own, can you believe it? But it's kind of like, I guess, I'll kind of try and make it look like her with the makeup. So yeah, I want to film that, and then I'm going to film my New Year's resolutions, so that will be up in a couple of days once this video goes up. Yeah, and then tonight I am meeting up with G, and we are going to the Albane restaurant in Notting Hill for a cocktail masterclass. It's actually a mocktail class in support of Dry January. If anyone is doing Dry January, then I don't think I could. I just don't think I could. My sister's birthday's in January, so they're like, there's always alcohol to be had. And then we're having a vegan menu for dinner at their restaurant as well, which will be lovely. I don't think I've eaten there before, but I will vlog it. So I want to be really productive today. I really want to get back into the swing of work. I'm feeling really inspired. I just need to actually like make an action plan for the next couple of weeks and stick to it. Can you tell I'm also all bunged up? It's so gross. Whenever I film a makeup tutorial, the first thing I like to do is go through all my drawers of makeup and pull out all the bits I want to use. These are all the bits that I've decided to use today. I'm going to be using my Naked 3, which is the rose gold palette. Oh, I love it so much. I haven't used it in a while, so I'm looking forward to giving that a spin. Some nice like pinky nude lipsticks. Really like simple, glowy, chilled look. I'm just wondering if I need anything else. Should be fine. These are, I rearranged all of these drawers a couple of weeks ago, so they're looking nice, neat and organised, and a lot more slimlined than they used to. Right, filmed 2 videos, feeling good about that. I've just made some lunch. I have made a no ball chicken burger with sweet potato fries in a brioche bun. I'm very up for this, and I'm eating in bed, don't judge. The doorbell just went, and this humongous box from Lush just arrived. I am so excited. I have no idea what's in it. Let's have a look. This is just the loveliest box of goodies. I feel so spoiled. I'll show you what's in there. We have the American Cream shower gel. I've never smelled this fragrance before. There's the avocado wash shower gel. Love the colour of that. We have some Adam's apple mouthwash tabs. Eve's cherry lip scrub, American Pie body conditioner here. We have a Love Token bubble bar here. A peachy bath bomb, which looks so cute, as well as bath bomb. I cannot wait to use that. That is so cool. A nice firm favourite, the unicorn horn bubble bar. We've got the Love Boat bath bomb, which I've used before. It's so lovely. It's got the little love hearts at the bottom of it. I think this is the Love Island body scrub. We have the American Pie naked body conditioner. Oh, this is a shower gel, the naked shower gel of American Cream. Then we have 2 of these number 6 bubble bars. Really cool. Two different colours there. I think that's everything. Is there anything else? I think that might be it. Oh, there's this. I'm not sure what this is. Oh my god, but it smells amazing. What is that? I've got the website up here, just having a look. Oh, here you go. It's a bubble bra. What's a bubble bra? Oh, that's cute. So you've got 2 separate ones. One for 2 baths. You just pull them apart, which is a nice idea. Thank you so much, Lush. That's so generous of you. Can't wait to use all of this. I'm going to stay around G's house tonight after our date, so I might actually take one of these bath bombs. Oh, the avocado one smells so good. We are making alcoholic beverages for Dry January. I've got the Seedlip Spice Mansion we do a double shot. What is this? The first distilled alcohol? Should I do this? Yes, please. I've always wanted to be involved. Okay, cocktail set up. I made this one with the spice spirit, and I've mixed it with ginger ale and blueberries and raspberries, and it's really nice. Hello guys, it is Saturday morning. G and I are at Borough Market, just had the most beautiful Bloody Mary I've ever had in my life. Now we're just having a browse looking for some street food. Monmouth coffee is famous in London for being amazing, and the queue is massive. Look at that. Why is it so great for?
Coffee.
Coffee.
They do quite nice coffees.
It must be good. Also, Conditor and Cook do my favourite fudge packer brownie. I've given you one of those, haven't I? Yeah. We're going to Brindisa for chorizo, baguette, ciabatta thingamajig. Here we go, chorizo, roasted pepper and rocket ciabatta. Not a pigeon that. Oh, there's another one. Oh, light cheese. A bird just shot on my head. I'm not very happy. Is it still in there? Have you got it out properly?
As much as I could.
Is there still shit in my
No, it's gone, you can't tell.
It's still Christmas here. It is Saturday evening. I've had a glass of wine. We are out celebrating my circus friend's birthday. We're going to a non-binary drag night. This is also where G and I had our first date.
Nights out in Babylon, yeah. Nights out in Babylon.
I love girls the way that I'm supposed to feel about boys.
Ended up in a McDonald's. This is our first McDonald's together. How romantic. I'm so drunk right now. Oh, we managed.
Where we are here.
This is the cutest thing I've ever seen in my life. You are so cute. Isn't he cute?
It's cute.
It is Sunday morning. So drunk last night, definitely hungover. I just picked up some Lucozade to try and help my headache. I am with my sister, her fiance and G, and we are going to a swing dance Lindsay Hop workshop. I've never done it before. G's wanted to do it for about 20 years.
It was a whole day, yeah. So
it's going to be good. It looks quite hard, but we learn a whole routine, so that'll be exciting. That we'll have an actual thing to show off at the end of it. What's your favourite kind of dance?
Contemporary and belly dance.
Becky's really good at belly dance. I think she's going to be amazing. I've got two left feet, so this is going to be interesting. I step on G's feet every few minutes. This is turning out to be quite difficult.
You need someone to trust. Maybe all you need is someone. Maybe all you need is someone to trust. Maybe all you need is someone. And I won't let you down. No, I won't let you down. I won't let you down, my love.
Come to Costa for a quick sandwich in the break. It's very difficult, but I'm enjoying it. I'm having a great time. What are you thinking of it, Luke?
Very difficult. A lot of steps. So it's hard to follow each step. However, I understand why people enjoy it, and it's nice challenging myself, you know what I mean?
It is.
Won't let you down. Won't let you down. Let you down.
It is Tuesday, Tuesday today. I've got very minimal makeup on because I have an LVL lash appointment this morning, which I'm really looking forward to. I'm going to Novu Lashes where I get mine done semi-perm curled. It makes like putting makeup on so easy because everything just looks amazing on the lashes. So I'm going to do that. I'll show you before and after. I then got a Soap and Glory event. They're releasing a hair care range which I've known about for a couple of months but I've had to keep quiet. But I'm so excited. I absolutely love their products, and so I have really high hopes for this hair care range they're launching. So I'm going to go and get a nice blow dry. I feel so greasy today, but I've purposely not washed my hair so I can make the most out of having it done for me. I'm then going to go and work from Gleam for the day, and then I've got my first trapeze class of the year followed by a handstand class. I'm going to be absolutely exhausted. I'm probably not going to get home until gone 10 o'clock, but I am hoping that I'm on my way now to smashing my goal of 2019 to learn how to do a handstand. Very exciting. So I am here now. This is my before. So my lashes are really straight. They're a bit meh. They don't look that impressive. So they're just gonna curl them. It's finished. Look at my new lashes. Aren't they amazing? Is it 24 hours before I can wear makeup?
24 hours before you can put any mascara on.
Cool.
24 hours, don't get them wet.
Yeah.
48 hours, no swimming, sauna. Remember, steam comes in.
Showers,
dishwashers, hot baths.
Yeah.
Just be careful how you sleep this evening.
Yeah. We've just got to Duck and Dry where Soap and Glory are holding their hair event. Look how cool this is. The most beautiful swing balloons. These are all the products. They look so good. I'm so excited to try them. I mean, this is the perfect place for a Soap and Glory event because it's so pink. I have finished up at my events and I'm now working at Gleam, just editing in the background. I love my hair. I had my hair washed with the new Soap and Glory products and then like blow dried into this amazing bouncy curls. My curls were up here to begin with. They were so tight, but I've been trying to straighten them out so they drop a bit. Just had a look through my PO box. I also popped into Topshop and picked up a new pair of jeans. My black Jodie jeans are really faded at the moment and they're not looking great. Kind of had them for so long that they're getting a bit baggy around the knees, so I treated myself to a new pair. I also picked up a pair of Jodie jeans as well because I thought having a belt loop on them on a pair might be great. So I'm gonna take them both home and basically choose what ones I want to keep. Right, let's do this.
Emily's got no tricks to try, but she don't seem that much to mind. She don't seem to mind that much to me. You got what the whole world wants, so strap that armor tighter on. Double on down like it's gonna make you free. Maybe all you need is someone to trust. Maybe all you need is someone. Maybe all you need is someone to trust. Maybe all you need is someone. I won't let you down. No, I won't let you down. I won't let you down, my love. I won't let you down. No, I won't let you down. I won't let you down, my love. No, I won't let you down. 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 No, I won't let you down.
I didn't end my vlog yesterday. It was such a long day and I ended up having the worst headache, kind of like verging on migraine after my handstand class. I kind of started getting it whilst I was at Gleam and then took a couple of pills, staved it off, but on my way home from my handstand class I was just like, I felt like I could have been sick. So yeah, I didn't feel in the mood to end the vlog at all, but it was really fun. I'm really looking forward to the rest of the term learning handstands. Really like the buzz you get when you get in a straight line without your legs touching or slamming against the wall. It was so fun, so I'm really looking forward to that. But yeah, I hope you've enjoyed this vlog. I am gonna start vlogging again today. It's Wednesday now. This vlog is going up today, so I need to get it done before I head off to Wales. G is working in Wales this week and next, and one of my best friends lives in Wales as well, so I thought that I'd do a double whammy, go and visit G and also go for dinner with my mate Alex and introduce them both as well. I'm really looking forward to that. But I hope you've enjoyed it. I love you guys lots, and I'll see you next week.